Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show how to draw grand insulator in AutoCAD 3D. The first time I go to front, go to view and front. I use command rectangle. I can write REC, enter or click on here. It's the same. So REC enter. Specify first corner point. So I click here. And then specify other corner point. So I tap add 29, 29, enter. So now I get one rectangle like here. So at the middle have a hole. So I use command circle, C, enter, specify center point for circle. So I click at the middle of a rectangle here and specify radius of circle or diameter. So I tap D, enter, it means that diameter. Specify diameter of circle. So 14, enter. So at the top of this have one more rectangle. So I can click on here and then specify first corner point. Click here. Tap add 15, 23.5, enter. Now it's not the middle of this rectangle, so I move enter, select object, enter, specify base point, so I click the middle of rectangle here and move to the middle of this rectangle. Now I get like this, so I go to view and work. Next, I use command extrude, EXT, enter, select object to extrude. So I select this object, enter, specify height of extrusion. So the length I give 74, enter. Yes. Go to set. Now we get like this. So at the middle have a hole. So subtract SU, enter, select object, enter, select object at the middle, enter. Just like this. On here have two holes for connect with the grand insulator. Yeah. So I go to right, and I use command polyline pl enter, specify start point, click here, yeah, and the line not straight to the X or Y, so I can click on here or press F8 on key, yeah. The length from here to the hole is 12, enter, yeah. Today I use command circle, C, enter, specify center point for circle or 3P, 2P, TTR, tan radius. So I tap 2P, it means 2 point, specify first in point of circle. So I'm click here and specify second point, specify second in point of circle diameter. So I give the value to this circle is 6, yeah, enter, and then the length from this circle to another circle is 27. So I use command polyline and click here, let's specify start point and specify next point is 27, enter, and I can copy a circle from here or create new circle here. So create new, C, enter, 2P, enter, specify first in point of circle diameter, click here and specify second in point of circle diameter, I give 6, enter, yes. Today I can use command presspull to make a hole on this point. So I click on presspull, select object or boundary area. So I bounded area here, and I can go to multiple and boundary one more again, yes, and then enter, and then I click on here, yeah. So now the hole is already, yes, like this. So this object is separately, so I need to join it together. I use command union, UNI, enter, select object, enter. Now it's become object. So this line I erase, so I select from here and then erase, yes. So at this point is have chamfer. So I use command chamfer, CHA, enter, select first line, yeah, and select here, OK current, specify base surface chamfer distance, so I give 5, and then specify other surface chamfer distance, I give 5 too, yeah, and chamfer here 5 and here 5. So select an 8, yeah, I click here and enter. Yeah, this side the same, have a chamfer tool. I use chamfer command, CHA, enter, select first line, OK current, and this point I give distance 20, enter, and other super chamfer distance here is 23.5, enter, and select an 8, yes. Select here and then enter. Yeah. Now it's already, yes. So in video that show about how to draw grand insulator in AutoCAD 3D is the end, and thank you for watching.